Hi everybody, welcome to my things to do. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell notification so you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. Today's video, guess what we're doing? We are making pizza. I've got two of my grandsons over and they want to make personal pan pizzas. First thing I've done is I've taken some cornmeal, I've put it on my countertop. I cheated. We've got already pre-made dough because it's pre-made. We're gonna get it onto the counter, roll it out, cut it up for the individual sizes for them, and they are going to make their own pizzas. Come around this side, guys. I have no idea why he just did that. Okay, look at this. Wow.
Ew.
Just wow. Woo.
Sticky.
I know, it's really sticky. I was trying to make this come up to room temperature before we touched it. So the reason I've got it on the cornmeal is to help it with the sticky flan.
Wants to make it slide around.
There we go. If you look in that second drawer, you'll see a flat cutter, silver. Yep, that right there. Alright, this dough right here will actually make one really large pizza. So
Take me a moment.
I can separate this into fours to make individual pan pizzas. You'll see in just a second. Because they don't need to be very large for what you guys are going to do.
Oh, it can be a flatbread too.
Right. Alright, so let's get this so where it's not going to be too sticky on you. I'm going to let you two have at it in just a second. Let's separate you because you two do not need to be right up on each other. Let me move some of this down here for you, Nate. Move this over here for you, Lucas. What you're going to do, put some cornmeal on your hands. I'm going to show you with this one what I'm going to do. Can we see the counter? Or are we still looking at our faces?
No, you're still looking at our faces.
I look good too. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the dough and you want to just keep turning it and be pressing it out until you get it flat. If you get to a sticky part, you can always flip it over on the cornmeal and just keep going until we get it as large as we need it to be for us. It's going to take a minute. I don't think you're spreading.
I don't.
You just keep putting a hole in yours, don't you?
There we go. Guess I picked the hole out. Yay. Yellow.
It's a dinosaur foot.
Make a pizza like that.
Sure.
Do that. That looks cool.
I'll put all the toppings. the boys picked out. Look at that concentration.
So much, actually.
Okay, never mind. You just ruined it.
What I did,
What all are you gonna add on yours? That's it? I mean, I'm not making this for you. You're making them for yourself.
we put the toppings on now.
Yes.
So do you put cheese, then stuff, and then more cheese?
Do whatever you want. It's your pizza.
And I'll make a mean quesadilla.
But that looks good. It does kind of look like a dinosaur foot, doesn't it? Comment below if you see that this looks like a dinosaur. Bless his heart. All right, ready for Lucas's? It started on. It started on the burner. Oh my God, Lucas, I can't even get yours to come out. It doesn't want to. Probably because I need a different. Come here. Give me this pizza. Oh, your mushroom's leaving. Yours is like serious. I don't even know how you're gonna eat that. We need. All right, boys. Well, here are your pizzas. Look how, honey. Look what the boys made.
I have a dinosaur.
Dinosaur
Yours
foot,
is
and
still
I
in the
made
oven.
Oh,
supreme.
nice. This smells good in here.
Does.
What do you think about making your own pizzas?
Fun experience, definitely. And also, really, I think that's it. I don't know.
That's it. So.
Might be.
Today was making our own personal pan pizza. It was our things to do today. Make it, yeah. Well,
Make it yours to do
No.
today? No?
No.
it's make it your thing to do too.
You're making it sound like
They don't get it, honey. They don't get it.
Yeah, remember.
This is definitely going to be on the bloopers. Personal pan pizza was my thing to do today.
Make it your thing too.
Make it your thing to do too.
Take 5.
Alright. Personal pan pizza was my thing to do today.
Make it your thing to do too.
Awesome.
I want sausage and green peppers.
And what'd you get?
Sausage, green peppers, mushrooms,
Everything.
olives,
But guess what I didn't put on there?
Onions?
anchovies.
Oh yeah, we didn't. I forgot to ask for anchovies. Didn't add pepperoni on yours either.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Everybody liking their pizzas?
this is getting hard to cut.
Why is he still cutting?